Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 4th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will stay warm and dry for the weekend. Then we turn stormy early next week on Monday. Maybe some severe storms around. Let's talk about it. This is the upper air look across the country today. Got a ridge right on top of us, and again, a very dry air mass in place across the deep south. There's the visible satellite view. Had a few streaks of cirrus clouds around, but it's basically sunny statewide. And again, we think we'll be dry over the weekend. And for some today, the warmest day so far this year. How about the Shelby County Airport coming in at 83? Anniston, 82. Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, 81. We'll see numbers like that tomorrow and Sunday. And around the region, awfully warm. Montgomery, 84 today. Up north, though, they've got winter weather advisories in a broad band from the Dakotas up to upper Michigan. Some winter weather advisories out west as well. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. No severe weather expected. Maybe some thunder from Las Vegas and Phoenix up to Minneapolis, St. Paul. Tomorrow, a chance of severe storms over Iowa and some of the adjacent states. Day 3, Sunday, a risk of severe storms from North Texas, Sherman-Denison, back up through much of Arkansas, southern Missouri, and far western Tennessee. And Day 4, Monday, got a risk of severe storms across parts of the Deep South. You can see in Alabama that risk runs Monday from near Butler and Choctaw County to about Clanton, Ashland, and Ranburne. Areas there in yellow. We'll talk about the threat here as we go in modeling. Here's the QPF, the rain for the next 7 days for Alabama. Heavier totals for the southern counties of the state. Rain amounts there between 1 and 2 inches. North Alabama will likely see under 1 inch between now and Friday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Got troughing in the west, one piece lifting out, coming out across the Great Plains states. But around here, the ridge stays in place. So the weather for us tomorrow, warm, dry, highs at or just over 80, much like today. Got a surface low near Omaha that will likely bring a chance of strong to severe storms to parts of Iowa and Missouri. This is Sunday. We're still warm and dry, partially sunny. Thunderstorms north and west of the state. And then Monday, a cold front pushes in. That'll bring a chance of showers and storms. And again, that's really not a classic severe weather look. We've got a surface low that's north of Philadelphia. You really want to see that thing north or west of the state for a big severe weather day. This is the NAM, the 12-kilometer NAM. This is valid at 3 o'clock Monday. And instability values do exceed 1,000 joules from Birmingham south and west. So the air becomes unstable. But this is the storm relative helicity, and the higher shear values are positioned away from the instability. It's not really phased up. This is the crossover, and again, the low-level winds are really not backed strongly, so it's not really a classic tornado look. But understand, this is one model run for an event that's 84 hours away. This could change. And this is the STP. Numbers are relatively low, but we'll be focused on this and watch the trends over the weekend carefully. But just be aware, there could be a few strong to severe storms across the northern half of the state Monday. The main window, I'd say noon until maybe 8 p.m., something like that, the way it looks now. Tuesday, the front stalls out around US 80. Showers confined to the southern third of the state. North Alabama dry and noticeably cooler with highs in the 50s. That'll be a big change. And then Wednesday, a wave moves on the front. So rain becomes likely. A cool rain for much of the state will be in the 50s. No severe weather problems. Thursday, that wave is on by. We're cool and dry. Temperatures probably going back in the 60s. And then a week from today, Friday the 11th, big trough carving out over the eastern half of the country. And a cold front comes through. This run showing very limited moisture. So if this verifies, probably not much rain with that feature Friday, but the big story, it's the cold air coming in. This is the following day, Saturday the 12th. That's a 1,032 millibar high that's over Iowa, and that would be pretty cold. Highs will be down in the low 50s, maybe upper 40s for the Tennessee Valley, and that should push us down into the 20s over the northern half of the state Sunday morning, March 13th. Growers beware. And this will not be the last cold snap either. We'll go out to Monday the 14th. Trough is on by. And we have a dry air mass. Weather should be cool and dry. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 4 inches between now and the 19th of March. And after Monday, temperatures come way down. And I think for a lot of folks around here, highs will be in the 50s on Tuesday and Wednesday. And again, look out for that weekend of the 12th and the 13th. It's got 30, and this is for Birmingham. Many spots will likely be in the 20s Sunday morning, March 13th. And hot off the presses, got the brand new CPC outlook. This is for March 12th. Through the 18th, we are solidly in the blue, meaning temperatures around here below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video here will be posted by 6 o'clock Monday morning. If you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.